Hello guys, welcome back to another video today. Today we're on the front page of Roblox, and yeah, I made a new account, a new YouTube account, and I've used a bot before I opened the channel, and I've got over 100 views, and it was just made like 3 or 4 or 5 days ago, and I already got 30 subscribers. And I got 100 views and over 60 likes on that one video. Yeah, hold on a minute. Yeah, I had to cut the video for a second. Yeah, the channel link will be in the description. My friend's channel link in the description, and my friend's group will be in the description below. And I might, I'll put his merch. He's wearing the merch, as you can see, Cool Flame 145. He's wearing the merch on his shirt, Flame 2 merch. Get that awesome merch now. And yeah, I will be making a fan group too. So my new channel is called Lord. Just to warn you guys, I do use sub. When you guys start subscribing, I will not use sub. Sadly, I'll leave it so my channel started. Yeah, I'm at 30 subscribers right now, I think. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications and do that on my new channel, not this channel anymore. Dark Games Roblox is